Most of my dried flower seedlings are ready to be transplanted, so it's time to amend the soil, so I'm going to show you how I do it.
Here's my patch where I removed all the weeds and grass from, and I got some sticks to kind of mark the area off a bit more, and because the ground is very dry and hard, I am going to water this area and rehydrate it. Next up is some compost that I got from the city because my compost that I make at home was not ready, and I am going to spread a nice layer over this patch. And this compost is really nice and rich, so I'm hoping it will make the flowers happy. And as I am spreading this compost out, it kind of reminds me of those little Zen gardens. It's actually pretty therapeutic to do this. Now that I have the compost all spread out, it is time to add some more soil. And yes, this is bagged soil. I am an urban gardener. It's not ideal, but I don't have a spot for a huge soil delivery in my driveway, and I know people have issues with this brand, but it's what I've got, so I'm going to use it. So I'm going to smooth the soil over the compost, and I'm even going to mix it up a little bit. This is looking pretty nice though, and it is so exciting because now it actually feels like something is happening here. The last thing I'm going to do is add some bone meal to the soil. Flowers love bone meal, and I will be putting bone meal in each of the planting holes when I transplant, but I figured it couldn't hurt to add some to the entire patch here. And I'm going to wait a couple of days to transplant because I am still waiting on a couple of seedlings to finish hardening off, but I am so excited that this is all coming together.